solution. Welcome to a short introduction video of our new trading Excel solution. We are young traders and want to make your trading routine easier with our Excel solutions. Visit us at Etsy. We have a lot of ideas in our pipeline that we want to realize. We are happy to accept your ideas, just write us a mail. In this video we would like to introduce the functionality of our new solution stock screening and backtesting by CGSOLVER. This tool is very easy to use. First you have to add the end date, this can be today for example. To get consistent results, there must be at least 3 years between the end date and the start date. In the next step you have to enter the backtesting criteria, for example how much capital you invest, on which occasions you buy or sell and the holding period. Then you can choose your backtesting or screening strategies. You can choose up to 3 different strategies. The selected criteria are cumulative. Now you can insert your stocks below each other under ticker, for example from your watch list or your internet research. Finally, click on the Start button in the upper left corner. You will immediately receive the information how much time this query will take. Currently 6 seconds per ticker are set as default.
For each ticker the information is now generated from the internet. In addition, it is evaluated how profitable a strategy would have been in the past and how many trades the tool has executed according to the backtesting settings. If a stock corresponds to one of the 3 strategies based on the set end date, a hit is marked with a green cell below the strategy. The more criteria are selected, the more you limit the number of trades. Therefore it can happen that for certain combinations few or no trades are shown. Conversely, it helps to try out several criteria, since each share reacts differently to the criteria. We hope you enjoyed it. We would be very happy if you support us. Your CGSOLVER team. Take care and stay tuned for our upcoming solutions.